Hey everyone, I know it's been a minute, but I have enoki mushrooms and some soft-boiled eggs. And with my enoki mushrooms, I have cheese, gochujang sauce, also bulldog sauce, but the creamy habanero one, some fish sauce, sesame oil, and a little soy sauce. Here's a bite for you. I also have my water on the side because I know I'm gonna need it. I love enoki mushrooms. I love the crunch. I'm a texture kind of person, so texture is everything to me with food. If I don't like the texture, then I'm not gonna like it. So how has everybody been? I know I haven't filmed since my birthday. I don't know, I just got in that mood where I just did not feel like filming, to be honest. Well, I did film for makeup still, but just did not feel like filming when I was eating. Here's a soft-boiled egg. We finally, here in Virginia, we finally have some nice weather. It is finally sunny. The sun is finally out. It's been raining since my birthday, and we finally got a break. So it's been raining for like a week, basically. I knew why I didn't feel like filming for a bit. It's because it was the time of the month for me too. So on my birthday weekend, we went out to Hot Pot to have hot pot and Korean barbecue. It was delicious. But I will definitely be more, what is that word? I will definitely be more consistent. Now, I'm trying to get back in that groove on this page. At least post two times a day.